Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul.
Today we have a very fun topic, making new friends in English.
Ooh, nice. I really want more friends.
Yes, Paul, and maybe you can make a friend today with our viewers.
Hello, friends.
Before we start, please remember, click subscribe, press the like button, and share this video with your friends.
Yes, share with your friends, then you have more friends.
Exactly. Okay, let's begin. Paul, imagine you see a new person. What do you say first?
Maybe, yo, what's up?
That is okay with close friends, but for new friends, we use something more simple, like hello or hi.
Hello, hi, easy.
Yes, easy. Repeat with me. Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
hi,
Good. If you want to be friendly, you can add, how are you?
how are you?
Perfect. And the other person can say, I'm good. And you?
I'm good. And you?
See? Very natural. After hello, you can say your name. I'm Emily.
Nice. You can also ask, what's your name?
What's your name?
Yes. So a short dialogue. Hi, I'm Emily. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Paul. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. And notice, nice to meet you means I am happy to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I like that. It sounds friendly.
Yes, very friendly.
Now, Paul, let's say you want to know about the new person. What is a simple question?
Um, where do you come?
Close. You can say, where are you from?
Where are you from?
Yes, that is correct.
And they say, I am from.
Exactly. For example, I'm from Canada.
I'm from England.
Yes. And if you forget, just remember, I'm from country.
Okay, I'm from the moon.
Paul, not the moon.
Okay. I'm from Earth.
Good. After names and countries, you can ask about hobbies. A hobby is something you like to do for fun.
Oh, like reading, like playing football.
Yes. So you ask, what do you like to do?
What do you like to do?
The other person can say, I like plus activity.
I like pizza.
Paul, pizza is food. You can eat pizza, but it's not really a hobby.
Oh, okay. I like sleeping.
Sleeping. Okay, maybe that is a hobby.
Yes.
So, for example, I like playing guitar, or I like swimming.
I like swimming.
Perfect. When you meet a new friend, don't stop at one question. Ask more. For example, do you like music? Do you play sports? Do you like movies?
Okay. Do you like music?
Yes, I do. I love music.
Do you like horror movies?
No, I don't. I like comedy. Comedy means funny movies.
Ah, okay. I like comedy too.
Now, when the conversation ends, you say, goodbye. Simple words. Goodbye. See you. See you later.
See you later, alligator.
That's a joke. Some people say, see you later, alligator, and the answer is, in a while, crocodile.
Okay. See you later, alligator.
In a while, crocodile. Okay, let's practice a full conversation. I'll be person A, you are person B. Hi, I'm Emily. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Paul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from England. And you?
I'm from Canada. What do you like to do?
I like swimming. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I do. I love swimming.
Cool.
It's nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. See you later.
See you later. Now, let's check common mistakes.
Okay.
Number 1, saying, "What is your good name?" That is not natural in English. Just say, "What's your name?"
What's your name? Okay.
Number 2, saying, "Where do you live?" too fast. For a new friend, that can feel strange. Better is, "Where are you from?"
Ah, yes. Where are you from? Feels safe.
Yes.
And number 3?
Number 3, speaking too fast. Keep your sentences short, like, "Hi, I'm Paul. I'm from England." Easy and clear.
Got it. Short and clear.
Okay, time to recap. Recap means review.
Oh, good. I forget fast.
Let's review the key phrases. Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from England. And you?
I'm from Canada.
Very clear. Very easy.
Yes. And you can practice with anyone. At school, at work, in the park, even online. Now it's your turn.
Yes, your turn.
Today's question of the day is, how do you say hello in your country?
Write your answer in the comments.
And we will read your answers.
Maybe I will make new friends in the comments.
Yes, maybe. Don't forget. Subscribe, like, share.
See you later, alligator.
In a while, crocodile.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.